Hey everyone, my name is John. I'm a gunsmith with about 7 years experience. This video shows me working on a custom 700 build I did with a Defiance action Kreiger barrel. Came out very nice. Here I'm just truing up a bar for practice, going between centers. Some of you might notice that I'm not using a dog. Short answer for that is just didn't use one. Here I'm just doing a face off and center drill, preparing for practice, cutting a muzzle crown and 5/8 by 24 threads. Chamfering the edges. The machine is turning really fast. Typically it would run this at a 500 RPMs. I think I'm at 1,000 or close to it. And I take my sweet time punching this center drill. These are the components that I used in the build. Pretty decent parts. I'm really happy with the receiver. I chose this receiver because it has an integral recoil lug as well as an integral scope mount. The more rigid your receiver is, the better. This is practice 5/8 by 24 threads. It's always good to fail on something cheap than break something very expensive. This is more practice. This is turn down the shank to accept some 5/8 by 24 threads, just showing the process of cutting down a shank. I keep looking over at the DRO so I have a true shoulder. This is the barrel set up in the lathe using a 4-jaw. This is test fit with the receiver to barrel. The closer you can get those threads to the inside diameter of the receiver, the best it'll be. Also, you want your shank length correct for headspace. A lot of people call it a tenon. I was taught it was a shank, tenon shank, same diff. I cut the chamber to be SAMI 308 Winchester. Got the headspace within 2,000ths of an inch. Checked it by using a piece of tape on the back of a go gauge. The bolt did not close with the piece of tape on the back of the go gauge, and that's how I knew my chamber was very good. This is the completed rifle set in a MPA chassis. I really like the look of the MPA chassis. I think it came out great. Here's a test fire, 100 yards. Did a 5-shot group, and I'm very pleased with it. Another thing I'm very pleased with is the Vortex Gen3 6-36X56 scope I mounted on the rifle. It is a very nice scope. I highly recommend you mounting that scope on your precision rifle. Can't be more happy with it. This is the lathe I used. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more. See ya.